opportunities in governance may not be as numerous as you would like, but they should be sufficient if you are in the habit of getting involved in various activities. For example, you can join the debating society or the school newspaper or political group. It will only do you good to get your voice heard and show that you care. Student councils come in many different shapes and forms around the world. They are basically organizations of students within a college that represent the interests of the student who study there. Involvement in student council instantly sets you apart as a responsible, engaged student who knows how to solve problems and represent a wider group of people. Besides, being a student council member looks great on your CV and is viewed favorably by admission officers and employees alike. For example, a person can enlist the help of colleagues to organize an auction to raise money for a local homeless shelter, or a person may want to organize an employee challenge that brings some fun into the workplace. Organizing any kind of fundraising activity at work highlights a person's management and leadership skills. Plus, this sort of activity can raise a lot of money for a worthy cause in the community. A mentor can help build the confidence level of a young person. Also, a mentor is a constant source of encouragement and support in a teenager's life. It can help with schoolwork or even influence some big decision made by the teen. Furthermore, a mentor can guide a teenager as they decide on career path. A person may know that they have studied the clarinet for 5 years. This shows dedication to perfecting their skills on the clarinet. They may also note that they give free clarinet lessons to 3 high school students once a week. This reveals their ability to teach others and willingness to share their talents. It's best for a person to choose a volunteering opportunity that they are really passionate about. Someone who dedicates a few hours or more to volunteer work every week is showing a sense of maturity, responsibility, and a concern about the community they live in. Moving into a new job may be the ultimate approach to leaving your work comfort zone behind. It may seem like an obvious option, but changing jobs or moving into a new industry is no small undertaking. Many people stay in a job for a variety of reasons. It shows your comfort level and your dedication in the part-time job work. Joining an academic club or team shows that you are passionate about learning and gaining a competitive advantage. When it comes to rigorous academics, you don't shy away, but rather embrace a challenge. Students on the debate team are more likely to be engaged in the issues of today, able to think critically on their feet, and are not afraid to speak out. All qualities that colleges look for in prospective students. Also, students that participate on debate teams are often outspoken with class, leading classmates into thoughtful discussion. This is not just boasting about being the quarterback on the college cricket team or how many slam dunks you made last session. Most sports rely heavily on teamwork and constantly improving yourself, as well as a lot of dedication. most employers would love to see that same dedication applied at work.